Good morning, Sarah and Elizabeth. I hope you're having a wonderful morning, and I am going to give you this video for you all to follow the instructions in what we're going to do in class today, because a lot of what's going to happen in class today is individual attention. I'm going to be walking around to every student, and so it's not going to be that interesting for you guys to watch, and there's not a lesson there. This will be your lesson. So I'm going to turn the camera and show you this. Right here is a contour drawing of a symmetrical vessel that is more complicated, obviously, than a coffee cup. These are examples right here of some of the vessels that we'll be drawing in class. So you can draw a vase or a candlestick, but it needs to be symmetrical, where you can draw a vertical line down the middle and both sides will be the same. And that is what we're doing in class today. So I want to teach you that you will do this by drawing a vertical line down the middle right here. You see that line? The next thing you're going to do is measure how tall it is, place the bottom line. Where's it going to fall on the plane, just like you did with your coffee cup. Then you're going to measure how tall it's going to be. We want it to be almost the full extent of the page, at least 10 inches. And then you're going to measure the opening. If the opening is at eye level, notice the ellipse will be very short. If eye level is here, as the ellipses go down, they get taller and taller. And that puts this vessel in correct perspective. Very important that you understand that concept. Then you start to, anytime, you need to draw at least 10 ellipses that will indicate, you draw the ellipses next and you divide them into quadrants. Notice every single ellipse has a quadrant to it. At the end of that, you can in pencil draw your ellipse and then follow each line on the left side and then the right side, and you will have a perfectly symmetrical vessel. This one I made up. This one is the candlestick over there that I drew the other night. So this method, there's the candlestick. Let me see if I can get bigger on it right there. This method helps you, it's the tallest candlestick, draw completely symmetrically, very symmetrically complicated vessels. That is our lesson for today. I want you to please, I think I called Marin Sarah. I apologize. Marin, I want you to check in today at 8:45, and Elizabeth, you will check in at 9:45. I said 9:40, but I'm going to have it be 9:45, please. And we will look at your coffee cup, Marin, because I have not seen yours. I've seen Elizabeth's. And then you can ask me any questions you have about this assignment. And I hope you girls are having an amazing Tuesday morning. And I look forward to seeing you at the beginning, semi-beginning of each class. These examples are online, so you can print them off. They're on Google Classroom. And I will show them to you one more time. Remember, the first move you make is placement, vertical line, then your bottom line. Then you measure how tall it is. Then you measure the width at the fattest part of the vessel. Here it would be the bottom. And then you're going to measure your first opening. And if it is at eye level, which it does not have to be, you can be looking down on the vessel, then the vessel would have a bigger opening. And there are, these examples are on Google Classroom. And then as you go down from eye level, the ellipses get taller and taller. And that puts this vessel in correct proportion and perspective. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.